Well, welcome to the latest market wrap. We're closing off on the first quarter for 2016. It's been a phenomenal start to the year. I hope you've had a lovely Easter break and school holidays. Hopefully you're still enjoying the school holidays for little ones out there. I'm Paul Sibley from the Buxton Real Estate Group. It's a pleasure to bring you the latest from what's happening out there in the marketplace. There certainly is a lot happening out there. It's a market that's being driven by lots of demand and not enough supply, unfortunately, at this point in the year. So I'd love to have more homes out there to show prospective buyers. It is what's driving the market through. We saw a bit of a flattening late last year where we thought maybe that was going to become a more normalised market. We've certainly seen another takeoff this year to take it to the next level in terms of property prices around the local area. And that is really a drying up of supply. So if you're thinking of selling and you want to know what that means for you, please get in contact with me. We'd love to see more homes out there in the marketplace. Well, some notable sales for the month of March. 8 Nowra Street in Moorabbin was a beautiful home, or still is a beautiful home, a 3-bedroom weatherboard, really beautiful period style home, 3-bed, 2-bath, 2-living zone, and that sold for $1,170,000 a short time ago. Really showing of signs of what's happening through that Moorabbin precinct and getting a lot of spillover from the Bentley and Bentley East suburbs. So we're seeing that next suburb mover advantage really coming through into both Moorabbin and Hyatt. 2 at 7 Greta Court of Hyatt in that Southland precinct there. That was a rear one of 2, a townhouse at the back, a 3-bed, 2-bath, and that sold for $888,000, which was an excellent result for our owners and some happy purchasers moving into the marketplace to start 2016. 118A Lineker Road was an outstanding town residence, up to 4-bedroom in accommodation, and that sold privately for $1.58 million. So some great sales happening out there in the market. Certainly, again, looking forward to a big couple of months. I think May will be in particular a standout month. It's been a start to the year which has been slightly disjointed with the long weekends. Nice to have a couple of short weeks there, of course, but with Labor Day, with the Easter break, it's meant that a few of those auction weekends have become Super Saturdays, really condensing those periods. So I think with a clear run coming through these school holidays, we'll see auctions being booked in for late April and into May as well. So I think there'll be a big launch in prior to the start of the cooler months into winter. A couple of final things to note importantly out there in the community, which you're probably noticing as you wander around the suburbs. Level crossing updates, please jump on the websites there to see what impact that has on your travel times if you're working in the CBD or of course going to the football. Lots of stations being impacted there, particularly along the Frankston line throughout these areas, so make sure you factor that into your journey. Of course, we do have Southland Station, which is coming in and starting construction. So to get yourself across that, jump onto the Bayside website as well. So it's going to be a great commuter station in between Hyatt and Cheltenham, of course, as well. And lots of things happening throughout the Hyatt villages and the Moorabbin precincts as well. Well, we're here down at beautiful 45 Franklin Street, Moorabbin. It's about to hit the market. A little sneak preview here for the buyers out there wanting to get themselves into a beautiful family home. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, dual living home with a beautiful al fresco space. It's right about to hit the market. It is one you need to inspect if you're looking somewhere in that vicinity of the Moorabbin precinct to get yourself into a wonderful family home. And we're proud to showcase this one to the marketplace. I'm Paul Sibley. It's been proud to bring you another market wrap and the latest what's happening out in the marketplace, of course. As always, please contact me with any buying, selling or leasing requirements. And I do look forward to chatting to you or seeing you out in the marketplace in the near future. Thank you very much.